Some villas are made for holidays. This one is made to be your private space in Marbella. Let's take a look. Four bedrooms and 5 bathrooms distributed across this stunning 4-floor villa that defines holiday living in La Mairena, one of Marbella's most private and elevated sites. And yes, it also has its own elevator.
I'll let you go. I'm tired of this feeling. I take control.
The entire place is spacious and filled with natural light. This bright open kitchen leads to the main terrace, one of the 6 private terraces of this villa, each designed to enjoy a different moment of the day.
You can be replaced, but I can't stay. No, I can't stay.
If you want to enjoy the perfect summer holidays here in La Mairena, book your stay now before it's too late. Thank you for watching the video and I see you in the next property tour.